Hi, welcome to the Fishial.AI tutorial video on how to create body trait polygons for fish species in your images. In order to get to the point to where you can create body trait polygons for fish species in your images, you have to first start at team image listings or your private collection image listings. Select images that you want to edit, click on the edit button, and then you'll open up to this edit screen. You must also have the polygons in your images must also be tagged with a fish species name. You can see here that in this first image, this polygon has been tagged with blue catfish. Upon selecting the polygon image thumbnail, you will see over here on the right that the body traits polygon options have popped open. These options are based off of data associated with the tagged name of the fish species. So with different fish species, you will have different trait options available to you, although not very drastic in differences, but tailored to the fish species that you are working on. So to create these body trait polygons, I'm going to first zoom in a little bit on the image so that, and then I'm going to enable the drag so that the fish is a little bit more center on my screen. The first option to start with over here is caudal fin, and since this isn't a very good descriptor of a caudal fin of a blue catfish, I'm going to go ahead and skip that. The second option is the head shape. I'm going to click on the plus button next to head shape, and then I'm going to click on the option that I wish to use for the body trait polygon. It's the same three options that you have when creating a new polygon for an image. You can use the select or auto mode, you can use a rectangle, or you can use a circle. I'm going to go ahead and use a select auto mode, and I'm just going to draw the box over the general shape of the head. So since that didn't work out very well, I'm going to clear that, and I'm going to click on the plus button again. I'm going to use a rectangle this time, and you can see rectangle is slightly darker blue than the other two options. I'm going to draw a rectangle. I'm then going to zoom in and move the drag over and begin to edit this polygon just so that it shows the head shape. And for the head shape, I'm just going to come on and cut right across, right above the eye. And then I'm going to click on the save button. And you'll see that the plus sign is now replaced with a thumbnail of the body trait polygon. Eyes, I'm going to click the plus button for eyes. And since eyes are circular, I'm going to use our circle polygon option. Again, you will see that it's slightly darker blue than the other two options. I'm going to start in the center of the eye and slowly pull outwards. And then I'm going to click on the orange save button. I'm going to reset the canvas here. And I'm going to go and start with the dorsal fin. So the dorsal fin, I'm going to click on the plus button. I'm going to use a rectangle again. And then I'm going to zoom in. I'm just going to outline the dorsal fin here. Now, one of the reasons why the object recognition model could not be working at its best is because the fish is a very similar color as the background it is on. So the dock and the fish are very similar in color, so it could be causing the object recognition model some difficulty in determining which is which. I'm going to click on the orange save button. And again, here you will see that the dorsal fin has been populated with the thumbnail of the dorsal fin. I'm going to reset. I am going to then go to, I can't get to anal fin. I can't get to pelvic fin. I'll do pectoral fin. And I'm going to click on the plus button. I'm going to use a rectangle. And I'm going to zoom in. And just edit this around the pectoral fin. If both pectoral fins were present, I would do, or visible, I would create a polygon for each pectoral fin. But since I can only see one, I will only create one polygon. Click on the orange save button. And then to create the second pectoral fin, I would click on the second plus button. If I reset the image and I click on the image thumbnail itself, I will see, if I click on the image thumbnail, I will see the thumbnail of the fish itself. And then if I click on the polygon thumbnail that shows the fish species, I will see all of the body trait polygons that I've created, each in a different color. So dorsal, pectoral, eye, and head. Thank you for watching the tutorial video on how to create body traits polygons for fish species in your images.